Hey Crypto.com fans, want to know your Crypto.com Visa card spending, ATM or top-up limits in this year? Helps you plan. Checking these limits helps you plan purchases or withdrawals without hitting a wall. So download the Crypto.com app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. After that, guys, log in with your email and password. Tap on the card tab at the bottom of the screen to access your Crypto.com Visa card details. If you don't see it, ensure your card is activated. After that, in the card tab, tap your card. After that, to view its details, scroll to settings and select fees and limits. And of course, guys, on the right, you can see this is the window that will contain our limits. This is one of the two screenshots that I'm going to show. Also, you will see your card's limits based on its tier, daily and monthly purchase limits, ATM withdrawal limits, and top-up limits. Limits vary by region, like $20,000 max balance in Singapore. So guys, that's pretty much it. The second screenshot is right over here for you to see. To increase the limits, upgrade your card tier by staking more CRO in the app's CRO wallet and stake. And that's pretty much it. If you have any more questions, ask them below in the comment section. And of course, do enjoy the video, subscribe, see you next time.